Imagine standing in the middle of a desert, and in every direction you look, nothing but solar panels, not hundreds, not thousands, millions. This is not the future. This is China, right now. But here's the part most people don't understand. While China is building the largest renewable energy system on Earth, it is also doubling down on fossil fuels. So how can both be true at the same time? China doesn't do small. In some regions, solar farms now stretch across land the size of entire cities. What used to be empty terrain, desert, or unused land, is being transformed into vast energy zones. In one project alone, over 6 million solar panels were installed. Even more impressive, around 2 million of those panels went up in just a few months. That level of speed isn't just fast, it's strategic. Because for China, this isn't just about energy, it's about dominance. These mega projects are not just for show. They produce enormous amounts of electricity. We're talking hundreds of millions of kilowatt hours every year, enough to supply power to millions of homes. And that energy doesn't stay where it's generated. China has built the infrastructure to move electricity across distances of over 1,500 kilometers, from remote regions to densely populated cities. It's a system designed for one thing: maximum output. What makes these projects even more impressive is how intelligently they're designed. The panels don't just sit still, they move. From sunrise to sunset, they slowly rotate, tracking the sun to capture as much energy as possible. And maintaining millions of panels, that's no longer a human job alone. Drones now patrol these massive sites daily, scanning for faults, cleaning surfaces after dust storms, and ensuring everything is operating at peak performance. This is energy production, automated and optimized. In some areas, China has taken a different approach. Instead of dedicating land purely to solar, they're combining it with agriculture. Crops are grown underneath elevated solar panels, turning one piece of land into two productive systems at once. Energy above, food below. It's a simple idea, but at scale, it becomes incredibly powerful. Solar is only part of the story. China is also rapidly expanding its wind energy capacity. Factories are producing turbine components at an incredible pace, including blades longer than a football field. Entire turbines can be assembled in just days. And production doesn't slow down. Hundreds, even thousands, are manufactured every year. What gives China an edge is control, not just over the final product, but over the entire ecosystem behind it. From raw materials to precision components, everything is built within the same industrial network. China's renewable push is no longer just domestic. Its companies are now building projects across the world, from the Middle East to Southeast Asia to Africa. Countries looking to expand clean energy are increasingly turning to Chinese technology and expertise. This isn't just an energy transition, it's global positioning. But here's where the story takes a turn. Despite all this progress, China still depends heavily on coal. In fact, coal continues to supply the majority of its electricity, and total consumption is not falling fast enough. This creates a contradiction. The same country leading the renewable revolution is also the largest source of emissions globally. And even within China, there's acknowledgement of this reality. The goal isn't to eliminate coal overnight, but to use it more efficiently while scaling alternatives. What China is doing isn't a simple transition. It's a layered strategy. Build renewables at record speed while maintaining existing energy systems to support economic growth, and in the process, position itself as the global leader in the technologies that will define the future. Because here's the bigger picture. China is installing renewable energy at a pace comparable to the rest of the world combined. That's not just progress, that's control over the direction of global energy. So what are we really looking at? Not a country choosing between coal and clean energy, but one using both to secure its future. China is building an energy system that is massive, fast, and strategically calculated. And whether that leads to a cleaner planet or simply a more powerful China is still an open question. One thing is certain, the global energy transition will not be decided without China.